This lightning's amazing.
Is it a light show?
Oh my gosh, the lightning's crazy. It's almost non-stop. I'm recording. It's beautiful. I'm probably gonna fall out of this chair before it's over with because the back's broke. You can sit down if you want. I don't take up that much room. You can. This is so pretty, and it's just gonna get better because it's moving right towards us and it's picking up steam. And we're right on the edge of it, so we're gonna get the beautiful show. We're on the safe edge of it too, so we are on the safe edge of it. It's just gonna give us a beautiful show. May give some other people some hail damage. If you look through the camera, you can kind of see some.
It's awful calm out here.
I know. You can kind of see some. Different textures in the clouds, different colors. It's beautiful. And the lightning's just picking up. I'm not sure what makes. I mean, I know the more lightning a storm has, the stronger it is, but I don't know what makes the lightning in the storm.
A cloud,
It's just lightning, period. I mean, I know it's energy and electricity.
Negative and positive ions.
Clashing? Clashing?
Yeah. Well, you got
So
say
they're
static
creating
electricity
sparks.
going between them,
So it's creating sparks.
and it builds up so much energy between them.
Just
it's
like
gotta go
touching a
somewhere.
doorknob.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So interesting to think about. I don't know, I may just be a little loopy right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that distinct line coming in. There's the shelfie, or the wall. This is the wall cloud. The shelf, I don't know, the shelf cloud's smaller, but you can see like mosquitoes already. Yay.
Lord.
It's gonna be bad this summer. Ooh, that was pretty. Yeah. Non-stop. I bet it's spinning like crazy too. You can't really tell now, but when you watch the video back, you'll be able to. This will look good on the big screen. As soon as I get my credit cards paid off, I'm gonna start investing in some cameras, camera equipment, so I can start documenting these storms more, because I'm just really getting into it, and I'm working now to where I can more or less do a 9 to 5, and and it's actually not even that, it's better. It's like I work 4 days, or I work 4 hours on like Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday. Well, Friday I don't work very much, but then Saturday I work like 15 hours. So it's kind of the perfect thing, because I get plenty of time to do this. Wow, that's amazing. I'm gonna have to stop it and restart it.